few minutes after the judo, I got a call from Ranieri. He called already and thanked us for what we did in especially the second half, and I congratulated him for being champion. I think they deserve it also. It might be not a surprise anymore, but maybe a shock for also the, let's say, established clubs.
First of all, I want to congratulate Leicester Football Club and Claudio Ranieris, all the players. I think that I think that it's a fantastic season for them.
Relief more than anything, and then you enjoy it for a little while after. I'm sure the Leicester City players enjoy it for a long time, and this is the stuff. There won't be another team in our lifetime that does something like this, because it is a huge feat. The battles that they've been having against other teams financially, they're at a disadvantage experience-wise in terms of winning. They're at a disadvantage, so they've come through so many barriers to get this far. To win it would be great.